Making a claim with First Central. At First Central, we understand accidents can be upsetting and stressful, whether they're big or small. That's why we make claiming from your online account quick, easy, and available 24/7. All you need to do is log into your account, and you're in control. But before we go any further, if you're still at the scene of an accident, please make sure you and your passengers are safe, and call 999 immediately if anyone is hurt. If you're unable to drive because of damage, give us a call and we'll chat to you about recovering your car from the roadside. Now follow this simple checklist. Make a note of the date, time, and location of the accident, contact details, registration, and details of anyone else involved, including witnesses. And note how many passengers there were in the other car. Record the damage or take photos of your car and any other cars involved. Also, see if you can gather any other evidence from the scene, such as dashcam footage or CCTV from local businesses. Doing all of these things will help you get back on the road sooner, speed up your claim, and sort out who's responsible. So what happens next? If we can fix your car and you choose one of our approved repairers, but can't drive it there safely yourself, then we'll transport it to a garage, provide a car while the work is completed, and any work carried out is guaranteed. We'll sort it out as quickly as we can, giving you peace of mind and the means to get back on the road ASAP. Which is what we all want after all, because stuff happens to all of us sometimes. First Central, helping you get on with what matters.